Hello and welcome back to another video on our channel. In this tutorial video, we're gonna look at how you can fix messenger calls not showing up on screen. If you are also facing the problem that when someone is calling you that you cannot see any kind of notifications of calls on your device, then follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video to solve this issue. But before that, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and also turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this regularly, so make sure that you are notified. There are a few things that you can do to fix this problem. The first thing you can do is head over to the Play Store and check if your messenger is updated or not. If you see a button called update, then you should update your messenger and check if this solves your problem. If it still doesn't solve your problem, then you need to head over to the settings option on your device. Then you'll need to go to the apps setting and then head over to manage apps. Now in the search bar, type in messenger. Now what you'll need to do is clear the data and clear the cache of messenger. After you clear the data, make sure that you remember the password and email address to your messenger, because after you clear the data of your email and password will be removed from your device. Another thing you can try out is uninstall your messenger on your device and try to reinstall it. Sometimes this also fixes any kind of bugs that is causing the problem. And also try to restart your device and reopen it, and hopefully will solve your problem. Another thing you can do is go to the settings and then head over to notifications options and go to app notifications. From here, search for messenger and make sure that the notifications of messenger is turned on. You can also see notifications of various functions of messenger such like chats, calls, stories, etc. Make sure you check each and every one of them to make sure that you are receiving notifications from messenger. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.